Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Settings app on your device to begin enabling GPS location services. Scroll or tap the search bar and type location to quickly find the relevant menu. Some phones show location under privacy or connections depending on system version. Make sure your device battery is above 5% to avoid interruptions during setup. If you use a pattern or passcode, be prepared to unlock the phone to access system-level settings. Stay on this screen before changing any toggles or permissions. Toggle location services to on to allow GPS and network positioning. Select the mode option labeled High Accuracy or GPS only to control battery and precision trade-offs. High Accuracy uses GPS plus Wi-Fi and mobile networks for better results. GPS only relies on satellites and may use less mobile data but more battery. Expect GPS accuracy around 5 meters under clear sky and good conditions. Confirm the global switch is enabled before moving to Open App Permissions or App Access Control to view which apps use your location. Grant location access to required apps only and deny access to apps you do not trust. Choose Allow only while using the app for most privacy-preserving behavior and background restrictions. If an app offers approximate location, select it to limit exposure to precise GPS coordinates. Review background location use and set it to never if unnecessary. Exit settings and test a mapping app to confirm location updates within a few seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.